So let's say your organization is right now making a decision about whether you want to buy entity resolution, like commercial off the shelf, or you want to, bring together a team and build it. And to that, I say, beware of the build path. It just seems, it might seem, and it does seem to many people to be something that can't be that hard. Can it really be that hard? Unfortunately, it has thousands, maybe millions of edge cases. On this path, you will end up with a team. Some of these people on the team will have helped create a rather probably complicated contraption, and you'll be beholden to them forever. And then every time you want to add a new data set, every time you want to maybe make it more scalable or make it support another language, it would be like, well, we're going to get some linguists to support the new language. To make it scalable, we're going to rewrite the architecture from the bottom up to make it lower latency or not batch. And it's just do not underestimate the cost of doing this yourself. I kid you not. You could spend $30 million in 5 years and have something that's not commercial grade. It is just crazy. And so that's really the purpose of Senzing. And in my prior incarnations of my team and our technology, we were creating, technology for the elite. And today we've built technology that's accessible to everybody. It's an API. It's locally hosted. No data flows to us. You're going to download the software. You're going to compile it into your workflows, into your data quality workflows, your data integrity. You're going to compile it into your ETL. You're going to compile it into your anti-money laundering, AML, master data management, patient record systems, and so on and so on. And basically out of the box, you're going to understand who is who, who's related to who, so you can spend your energy on more important things. Senzing API, entity resolution, out of the box, plug and play, so you don't have to build it yourself.